Listen carefully, cause I'm only gonna play this once.
Hold on, wait. This is not one of those products, but we definitely need a different video here. Let me call my business partner, Paul.
Yeah.
Hey Paul, it's Tim here. Listen, I'm just looking at our video for the sales page and I think we have a small problem.
What's the issue?
Well, this video is just like all the others. I see lots of hype, sports cars, money stacks, and worst of all that stuff has nothing to do with the product.
I don't care.
Okay, but we've got to do something different here. Listen, maybe we just start over with something like, hey, welcome everyone to this page. We are happy that you're here and appreciate you taking the time to watch this short video. My name is Tim Eakles and I'm here with my business partner,
Paul Neidig.
and together we would like to welcome you to Lazy Commissions. We created this new course and it teaches affiliate marketing the right way with a focus on getting you to making $100 per day online. I still think this is not perfect. People are used to all these overhyped sales pages with lots of fake money raining from the sky and rented sports cars and young ladies who have, again, nothing to do with the product. And here we are just two old, experienced affiliates sharing what we've learned over all these years and the stuff we do every day to make our living online. I don't know if this really attracts people.
So what? I don't care. Look, let's quit wasting time and let's go live.
You mean now?
Right now.
Launch sequence activated.
Alright everyone, we are live. Welcome to this slightly different pre-launch of Lazy Commissions and thank you for being a part of this.
System malfunction.
Damn it! Let's do the VSL when we are out of pre-launch.